Halloween is actually my favorite holiday, and it always has been for as long as I can remember. I absolutely love this time of year. I love all the spooky stuff going on. I love everything about it. I just want to do a quick reminder for you all to just be safe this Halloween season. Have fun, go out, trick or treat, carve pumpkins, enjoy yourself, but a few things to keep in mind. Like when you are carving pumpkins, make sure you're keeping those knives sharp, because that'll actually decrease the odds of you cutting yourself and getting a jagged cut like that. Also, just make sure, be mindful that you're being careful with those sharp knives. When you're out trick-or-treating, going door to door, keep in mind there's gonna be a lot of pedestrian and foot traffic, but also a lot of vehicle traffic. So when you're crossing the street, make sure to use crosswalks. You're not gonna want to step out from behind parked cars, things like that. You just wanna be seen. Also with being seen, if you've got a darker costume, make sure you're carrying some kind of chem light or headlamp or flashlight, again, so you can be high visibility to other drivers so they don't come along and hit you when you're crossing the road, something like that. We see a lot of that in the ER this time of year. Keep that in mind as well. So with that being said, go out, enjoy this time of year, enjoy the holiday, and we'll see you out there, because I'm probably gonna trick or treat myself. I'm not too young, old, you know. Ah!